What are some of the consequences for crimes associated with a Superior Court conviction? That is a great question. Remember, Superior Court is the major leagues. That's the big leagues. The minor leagues is the municipal court. When you're in the Superior Court, they have a grading system: first, second, third, and fourth. First being the worst. You just have to know, if you plead to a first-degree crime, the range is 10 to 20 years in prison. If you plead to a second-degree crime, the range is 5 to 10 years in prison. A third-degree crime is 3 to 5 years in prison, and a fourth degree is up to no time in prison, up to 18 months. There's so many variables. It depends upon your prior criminal record. It depends upon what you did. It depends upon the degree of the injury. It's so important to have a really good, knowledgeable, persuasive a criminal defense attorney to assist you in that. Because there's times I've had people personally with first and second degree crimes, and I've gotten it down to probation as opposed to, could have been, theoretically 20 years in jail. Now, that doesn't always happen, but there's so much that goes on as far as what could happen. Now we're talking, basically people don't want to do jail, but then you could have 5 years probation. Well, just by having a good attorney, you may get 1 year probation, or maybe even no probation. So then, for instance, a consequence could be charged with the difference between a criminal sexual assault as opposed to just endangering the welfare of a minor. Those are two totally different consequences that, make a big difference on your record, and that's the importance of getting a very experienced and a criminal defense attorney that, most importantly, cares.